Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the types of neurons. Neurons are classified according to the number of processes, length of axon, function of neurons and pattern of dendrites. Okay. First, according to the arrangement of axon. According to the arrangement and number of processes, the neurons are classified into unipolar, pseudo-unipolar, bipolar and multipolar neurons. Unipolar neurons, they have single process. They are usually found in invertebrates. In vertebrates they are found in ANS. Okay. Pseudo-unipolar. In pseudo-unipolar neurons, axon after originating from soma split into central and peripheral processes. The example is dorsal root ganglion cell, primary sensory neurons with cell bodies in dorsal root ganglion. Bipolar neurons. In these neurons, two processes arise from cell body. The example is the bipolar cell of the retina. Next is multipolar neuron. In multipolar neuron, many processes arise from the soma. The example is a spinal motor neuron. Next, according to the length of the axon. According to length of the axon, neurons are classified into two categories: Golgi type 1 and type 2. First, Golgi type 1. These are the neurons with short axons, and dendrites of these neurons terminate near the soma. The example is cortical inhibitory neurons. These are the neurons with short axon. Dendrites of these neurons terminate near the soma. The example is cortical inhibitory neurons. Next, Golgi type 2. Axons of Golgi type 2 neurons are long cortical motor neurons. Neurons that give rise to corticospinal tract are the examples. Okay. Type 2 are long. Type 2 have long axons. Cortical motor neurons are the examples. Cortical motor neurons. Here, type 1 is cortical inhibitory. Okay. Type 2 are cortical motor. Okay. According to the function. According to functions, neuron can be divided into sensory and motor. Sensory neurons. These are the neurons that carry impulses from the receptors to the central nervous system. These are called efferent neurons, efferent fibers. Next, motor neurons. These are the neurons that carry impulses from the central nervous system to the target organs. These are called efferent neurons, efferent fibers according to dendritic pattern. According to the dendritic pattern, two types of neurons are present: pyramidal cells and satellite cells. First, pyramidal cells. Dendrites of these cells spread like pyramids. The example is hippocampal pyramidal neurons. And next example is satellite cells. Radial shaped spread of dendrites occur in these cells. Radial satellite cells. Okay. Radial shaped spread of dendrite occur in these cells. The examples are cortical satellite cells. Example for pyramidal cell is hippocampal pyramidal cells. Example for satellite cell is cortical pyramidal cell. Okay guys. These are the neurons. These are the type of neurons based on arrangement of axon. Okay. This is the unipolar. This is the unipolar. This is the pseudo unipolar, because only one process is coming from soma or cell body. You see here, this is the bipolar. Two processes are arising from the cell body. If you observe here, this is multipolar. Many processes are arising. Okay guys. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.